Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the Beat Frequency Interactive Calculator, a specialized tool that solves a critical acoustics and vibration analysis problem, determining the interference patterns when two frequencies combine. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll see the calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate beat frequency, calculate first source frequency, calculate second source frequency, calculate resultant amplitude envelope, musical tuning analysis, and calculate beat period. For this demonstration, we'll select Calculate Beat Frequency. Next, we have first frequency F1 in Hertz, second frequency F2 in Hertz, and beat frequency F beat in Hertz. Below those are first amplitude A1 and second amplitude A2, both in arbitrary units. For musical applications, there's reference frequency in Hertz for concert pitch and detuning amount in cents. Let's work through an engineering example. Imagine we're analyzing vibrations from two motors. Enter 60 Hz for first frequency F1, a common motor frequency. For second frequency F2, enter 62 Hz, slightly out of sync. Leave beat frequency F beat empty since we're calculating it. For amplitudes, enter 1.0 for both A1 and A2. Click Calculate Results. The calculator returns beat frequency of 2 Hz. That's the difference between our frequencies. Beat period shows 0.5 seconds. Maximum amplitude is 2.0, minimum amplitude is 0.0, and average frequency is 61 Hz, the mean of our inputs. These outputs reveal the pulsing pattern you'd physically experience. Every half second, the vibrations constructively and destructively interfere. Key insight: always verify beat frequencies are outside critical structural resonance ranges to prevent equipment damage. Find the link in the description below.